Well, on this week's video, I will be trying to push the Mavic 2 Pro's camera to its full potential. Well, before we get into that, let me please firstly thank everybody basically for coming into my live shows on the Saturdays and checking out my videos every week. Really do appreciate that. We have a really nice little community here when it comes to YouTube, and you know, we all learn off each other and things like that. Because basically we're most of us are using the same sort of gear when it comes to camera drones. And to be honest, the only reason I'm actually shooting today in the H265 HLG is because of Aldiaz, a fellow YouTuber who most of you would probably know. So it actually asked me whether I'd used it before, which I hadn't. So I checked out one of his videos, his latest one, I think it is, and it gave me incentive to go and try it myself, just to check out exactly what the potential is of the camera on these things. The file itself had to go into Davinci. Now, Premiere Elements 2018 does not like 265 files. It doesn't even know what it is. So off to Davinci we go. Now, anyone who's ever had a go at Davinci knows the learning curve on that thing is horrendous. So I've really still learning and trying to get what I can out of it. So hopefully I've done the 265 file some justice. It's very difficult to get it right when it comes to color grading and things like that. You can go oversaturated so easily, and there's so many fine adjustments that you can make within these parameters that can wreck it or make it really good. So hopefully it pulled it off today. So please enjoy the footage I have here of the H265 HLG Rec 2020 render. Hopefully YouTube doesn't compress it so much that nobody knows the difference, and hit the like and the subscribe if you want to, because that would be fantastic. And I shall see everybody on the next one. Ciao.